Here's Pippi and his new swing. Pippi, good boy. You like your new swing? Yeah. Yeah, right over the sink. Yeah, you're swinging right over Mommy's sink. Huh, yeah, it's a good place to go, right? If you have to go, right over the sink. Say hi, Pippi. Say hi, Pippi. Hi, Pip. Say hi, Pip. Hi, Pippi. Hi, Pip. Hi, Pippi. Hello, Pip. Pan out. Yeah, there you are. Right over Mommy's sink. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good boy. Good boy. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, Pippi. Hi, Pippi. Hi, Pip. Hi, Pippi. Tell Aunt Kathy we got a magic feather for her. Yeah, tell Aunt Kathy we got a magic feather. We're going to send it to her. Say bye, Pip. Bye, Pippi. Bye, Pip.